Hey there everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add folder on your Telegram. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, of course, let's tap into the app itself and it will lead you to this chat page. So we're going to create a folder, add folder, same thing. So you have to look for the setting button, which is usually at the bottom right corner. Let's tap in there and you can see there are several options like my profile, save the messages and all. In here you can see chat folders, so simply tap into that and this is where you add a folder. So you need to simply tap in create a folder and you can simply tap in a folder name right here. Okay, and you can add in a chat by tapping this add chat options, and you can also like add chats to exclude. You can choose your folder color over here. This is how you add folders. All you need to do is hit that create button and you will create a new folder. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much and we'll see you in the next video.